warm, sunny months of gay summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. Not a crumb to be found on the snow-covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. Oh, what will become, says the cricket of me, after lashed by starvations and famine made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Away he set off to a miserly end to see if to keep him alive, he would grant him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain he wished only to borrow. He would pay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow.
Always enter with positive thought, no matter how hard it is. Bear tomorrow's flesh, opportunity to make it better.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय जय